afternoon. I am Hafsa Khan. I am from Delhi. I did my schooling from Rabia Girls Public School, which is affiliated to Hamdard Public School. I did my 10th and 12th both from there. I then did my graduation in physics from Jamia Millia Islamia. I also did a short course from NPTEL, which is Effective Teaching Practices in Engineering. My father, Mr. Nadeem Khan, is a well-known businessman in Chawri Bazaar. He imports power tools from China since 20 years. He also runs a charitable clinic in our home only. He is a scholar of Quran and a part-time relationship counselor too. My mother, Mrs. Nasima Bano, is a wonderful homemaker. She also teaches designing and tailoring to young students. I have two younger siblings. My brother studies BBA in Jamia Hamdard and my sister is in 9th class. I am finding the Chalk and Duster Academies classes very useful. I have learnt a lot from them and I will learn more soon, inshallah. Except that it is very good. I would rate 10 on 10 these classes. Thank you.